Hello people and welcome back to Code on DashCam channel, a channel that features only the craziest road moments ever caught on driver's dashcam. Today, we prepared a really cool episode full of all sorts of crazy moments. All the clips shared in today's video are for educational purposes, and hopefully you'll enjoy watching them. Without any further ado, let's get this episode underway. The driver in front of the camera was distracted by his phone, so much so that he forgot to look at the traffic lights. Ignoring the given speed limit in certain areas can come around to bite you. Speed limits are there for a reason, and usually, when the speed limit is lower, it means you're in a residential area where you're supposed to drive slow either way. Camera caught a spine-chilling moment on his dashcam. One vehicle was engulfed in flames, and there was no stopping that at this point. Hopefully, the driver was out of the car on time. Pay attention at the Mercedes driver in front. He made a really dangerous move there as he wanted to get to the exit. We have an impatient driver who was running late for work. In the moment of impatience, he made one of the most reckless mistakes he could possibly make. This guy sped up from behind the camera and dangerously cut in front of him.
Apa?
It is.
Begini.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Northeast 67th Street.
Okay. Kalau lemerik.
With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on DashCam channel. I hope you guys managed to enjoy and learn something from this one. After all, it will make us happy if you realize that some of these moves are wrong and that you won't repeat them. Make sure to leave a like if you support this type of content. While you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content I put out. Until the next one, drive safe and be patient.